Thank you very much, Francis. We bring you breaking news at the SABC. We understand that the aircraft expected to fetch South Africa's second batch of vaccines leaves to Brussels tonight. Let's bring in very quickly Noni Mashika, who is the acting DDG for Aviation. A very good evening to you, Ms. Mashika. Thank you very much for joining us on The Full View. So I understand that the aircraft leaves tonight. Is this the case? And is this to fetch a second batch of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine?
Good evening, Griselda, and good evening to all your viewers. Yes, indeed, it's an exciting moment for us as this flight takes off in the next few minutes to go from Johannesburg to Brussels to fetch the second batch of vaccines. This is a partnership between the Department of Health and the Department of Public Enterprises, and of course including SAA in this regard.
Yeah. So, Ms. Mashika, how many doses are expected to be fetched at this time?
At this point in time, we will be transporting 40,000 doses that will be coming in with the aircraft. But I think at this point, the Minister of Health will provide further details in this regard.
All right. When is the aircraft back in the country?
We anticipate that the aircraft will be landing on Saturday morning as they fly back from Brussels straight into OR Tambo International.
I guess I'd pose this to the Minister, but do you know if this second batch that is coming in would be to add to what we already have for the first phase of the rollout for the healthcare workers?
Yeah, so this batch is anticipated to be part of the rollout process. But I think, as indicated, the Minister of Health is best placed to provide further information in terms of that rollout process. And they will communicate further on Saturday as soon as the vaccines arrive in the country.
And I do appreciate what you have given us thus far, Noni Mashika, who's the Director, DDG of Aviation, speaking to us. Breaking news in South Africa at this point. The second batch of Johnson & Johnson vaccine expected back in the country on Saturday. That aircraft is leaving South Africa for Brussels tonight. 40,000 doses are expected. We're expecting, I guess, in the next couple of days, the Health Minister, Dr. Zweli Mkhize, to give us more details on that, but it's expected that 40,000 will add to the batch that has been given to the health care workers in South Africa currently.